sorry I haven't posted any more videos. I've been dealing with sick and the weather has just been really crappy lately. I'm hoping to have another video, start filming and get ready to go here within the next week or so. I've been dealing with chest cold, sore throat, my voice has been in and out. My nose has been blocked all the night, the long ton yards. It's been sucky. I've been wanting to get outside and I haven't been able to. So I am hoping to get a video out here within the next week. I've been taking lots of hot showers, taking lots of medicine, trying to get myself better so I can get more videos going. I haven't been really able to do anything. So I will hopefully see you guys with a new video here within the next week or so. And again, I apologize. I have been sick. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Alright guys, I kind of wanted to show you the new setup real quick. I ended up finding a different bike, and it's a nice little Panasonic. My son kind of helped decorate it a little bit. But I've got my blanket on the front for insulation. I've got a little container down there. I haven't figured out what I'm going to put in it. Probably like my charger and stuff for my phone. Now I got my sleeping bag. And then on the other side, I've got my camo covering. And then I've got a container on the back here. And I've got all my first aid kit, necessities. Open it up here for you. Like lighter, knife, saw, grappling hook, wrench, spoon, fork, fire stuff, hand warmers, all in that one. And this one is like some smaller food essentials. This one's all my tie downs and stuff. And then I've got a couple cans of food here, a flashlight, my hatchet, wrench, another saw, some pellets for my BB gun once I get it, another saw, some metal tape for when I take one of my stoves out, and then these I'm going to keep out for when I go get my tarps again, because they are still out in the woods somewhere. And those I'll use to tie down once I put the lid on. And then I've got rag, mittens, my knife. There, I got some rabbit fur in here, a couple tire tools. This is a whole bunch of wood just in case everything is just wet. Some binoculars. And the last thing I have in here is this. This is out of a little couch cushion. It's just the batting. And I keep that in there so that on really cold nights I can use it to wrap up my feet. And that's pretty much the extent of it. I do also have some little lights on the side, just in case I need some lighting. I don't want to show everything off. And then plus I have a spare battery that's USB, can be charged by our micro USB. Can also plug in a DC outlet into it as well. I don't have anything to plug into that, but comes in handy. And then I also have my solar panel somewhere, but I'm not sure where that is at the moment. I gotta search for it. I think my son may run off with it. But this is my new setup, and I'm hoping to get out on it here once I'm not sick anymore. So I'll give you guys an update and let you guys know what's happening. Peace.